Grade 9 Biology, Lesson 5, the fundamental unit of life. At the end of the module, you will be able to understand definition of cell, discovery of cell, cell theory, shape and size of cells, types of cells. Look at the image. We can see bricks are assembled in a specific way to make a building. Similarly, there are some basic units assembled to form different organs in all living organisms. They are called cells. So, cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Discovery of cells. Let us know more about the discovery of cells. Robert Hooke in 1665 first observed dead cells in a cork. Leeuwenhoek in 1674 discovered the free living cells in pond water. Robert Brown discovered nucleus in the cell in 1831. Purkinje coined the term protoplasm. Schleiden and Schwann proposed cell theory. Rudolf Virchow expanded cell theory and said all cells arise from pre-existing cells. Cell theory. According to cell theory, all living organisms are made up of one or more cells. The cell is a basic structural and functional unit in all organisms. All cells arise from pre-existing cells. Shape of cells. Cells vary in shape. They may be oval, spherical, rectangular, spindle-shaped, or irregular like nerve cells. Some cells have fixed shape. Example, plant cells. Some cells do not have fixed shape. Example, amoeba. Size of cells. Most of the cells are microscopic in size. Smallest cell, example, mycoplasma. Largest cell, example, ostrich egg. Longest cell, nerve cells in human. Types of cells. Based on the number of cells present, there are two types of organisms. Unicellular organisms, example, amoeba. Multicellular organisms, example, human. Based on the structure, there are two types of cells. Eukaryotic cell, example, plant cell and animal cell. Prokaryotic cell, example, bacterial cell. Differences between unicellular and multicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms are composed of a single cell, irregular in shape, simple body organization. Single cell carries out all necessary life processes. Multicellular organisms. Multicellular organisms are composed of more than one cell, have a definite shape, complex body organization, multiple cells perform different functions. Prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Organisms having prokaryotic cells are called prokaryotes. Prokaryotic cells range in size from 0.2 micrometer to 2.0 micrometer in diameter. Prokaryotes do not have a nucleus. Organisms having eukaryotic cells are called eukaryotes. The size of eukaryotic cells ranges from 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer in diameter. Eukaryotes have a true nucleus.